now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, and a very good Wednesday evening to you. It's been a very busy 4 hours here in the 6th Weather Center, but things are starting to improve rapidly. As we take a look at temperatures in the region, we had a line of thunder showers and thunderstorms go through the region, and all associated with the weak frontal boundary. That boundary is beginning to push into the coastal bend, and of course we're starting to see a little bit of some cooler temperatures come in. We're at 71 here in the city of Corpus Christi, but 65 out in Orange Grove, Alice, and even off to the western portion of our viewing area out in Duval County. 66 in Beeville, rain cooled there, but still holding on to 70 off in Kingsville, into the mid to upper 70s, almost near 80 degrees out at the Naval Air Station. Things are quieting down tremendously as we lose the daytime heating of the day, and we're just looking at a few little sprinkles here and there right along the coastline as high pressure is already starting to push in. We've registered over ½ inch of rain officially out at Corpus Christi International, officially out in Beeville 0.32, but at our Aztec Chevrolet 6 WeatherBug location we picked up 1.23 inches in that location. So anywhere you see that blue, anywhere you see that green, anywhere between ½ an inch up to 1.25 inches of rain is being recorded. You can see behind this, there's not a whole lot of activity. All this is pushing off into East Texas, holding on to the Houston area and into the eastern half of the Lone Star State. We did have a report of a funnel cloud out and near the George West area where we had the tornado warning earlier today, and but we haven't got any confirmed reports. There was a confirmed report of a tornadic activity out near College Station in East Texas where the frontal boundary currently lies, and they're still dealing with the round of some severe weather. A little bit of some light shower activity is going behind this system, but with high pressure coming in, we already have sinking air aloft, so a lot of this activity here is going to start to collapse on itself as we go into the overnight hours. 50s and 60s across a good portion of the Lone Star State, and we'll be headed to the mid to lower 60s for tonight as this big upper level disturbance that we've been talking about all week long continues to track across the state of Texas, and it is now exiting off to the northeast. So as we look at the overnight forecast right here in Corpus Christi, holding on to a couple of sprinkles as the temperatures start to drop. I think if we get some clear skies, we could fall eventually into the lower 60s instead of the middle 60s like I'm showing here. But what will happen is that the cloud coverage will start to wane and go away as well. So we'll look for the mid 60s near the coastline. I think I'm going to go ahead and call mid to upper 50s for the inland areas and some lower 60s. It depends on how quickly those clouds can move out. But as we look at the cloud rain forecast, this is by tomorrow afternoon. There's nothing on the map. It's just lots of sunshine to go around. We're going to be in for a very, very nice weekend, and that not only lasts until Thursday, but on into Friday, on into Saturday as well. So as we look at the day for tomorrow, 65 clearing out early in the morning, sunny, drier, absolutely gorgeous by noon tomorrow, 78 degrees and 86 in the afternoon, pretty nice, but also very warm as well. So we'll look for the 80s, mid to lower 80s near the coastline, 86 here in Corpus Christi, and about 87 to 88 from Alice down to Kingsville, and approaching 90 degrees off into the Falfurrias area. So with that frontal boundary coming through, the winds will finally begin to relax over the South Texas area. So Thursday and Friday not looking bad. A northerly component to the wind, so that means less humidity as well. But then as we go into the Saturday, Sunday time frame, we pick up more of a southeasterly wind, getting a little bit breezy, and that's when the humidity starts to pick up. Our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 65, 86 for tomorrow. Very, very nice. Not as humid. Sandfest is looking fantastic. 86 on a Saturday, 85 on Sunday, but muggy, more wind, and a few more clouds as we go into next week, but highs stay in the middle 80s. Stay with us. Alan Harwell is coming up next with sports.